Canlux Lighting from Zhongshan. Canlux Lighting. In Chinese name is Zhongshan Huashu Lighting Company. Hello, Olivia. Hello.
I'm here.
Hi, Olivia. Yes. Hi. Good morning. Thank you for your waiting. Thank you. Hi.
Yes.
Yes, I can see the signal bar now is a little bit red in your side, but I think the signal will be turning good.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, a little bit. Now it's better. Now it's better. Hi. Long time no see, Olivia. I think last time we see each other is GILE or next last time the online show, right? Hi. So good to see you again. Long time no see. Hi, Olivia. So in today's session, would you like to give us a a brief introduction of your company or your new or updated products line and or series? Anything you want to show us today in like 10 minutes or 15 minutes, please? Thank you.
Thank you, sure. It's a pleasure to have this opportunity to show our products and our updates to you and our customers. Firstly, I heard that our main market is South America, so it's Spain market. So today we would like to share our new series to this market, especially to this market. It's our new fan light, ceiling fan light. This is our product. It's smart house light. You see, it can be controlled by remote.
Yeah.
It can be controlled by remote. Yeah, this is the light is dimmable. The light is dimmable, changing by remote. 3 colors. Yeah, it's dimmable and the brightness. This is our product. You can see that the light is getting darker.
Okay. Yes.
And now we can change. Yes, we can change it by the color temperature by this remote. And change it. Change the color temperature. This is the light color. This one. And one more. This newest section for this product is our fan. The fan.
Oh, it's rotating.
It's very smart and it's very convenient for in our life. You know, many customers or many consumers or especially for children, it's not suitable to enjoying the air condition every time all day long.
Yeah.
So it's better to have one fan to keep the air circling, circling for them, so they can enjoy the fresh air at home, not enjoying the air conditioner. So this is the fan. This is the fan function. It has 3 steps to control the lamp, the fan. Yeah, 3 sections. This is the highest, the speed. The fan speed is around 1,200 1 minute. It turns around and it has timer. When you set this timer, it can be turned off automatically after 2 hours. So you don't have to, when you are getting back, go to bed. You don't have to turn off it before you go to bed. You can set a timer, and then the fan and the light will turn on automatically after 2 hours. It's very smart for our customers. And it can be turned off and on. Like this one, you can just, if you don't want the fan, you just turn on the light. You just turn on the light, no fan. Yes.
Great. Wow. Olivia, this
only the fan. if you want only the fan, you can also now without lights, only the fan is running. Only the fan is running.
So the two function can be
Yeah, this
separated.
is our new market. This is what we want to show you today.
Okay.
It's very, and we have different designs. We have different designs.
Mm-hmm. And this fan is not packed or don't have fans around. It's not like the
fan. Yes, this also has fan.
uh-huh. But it don't have
Yeah,
fans outside. Okay.
Key.
Mm-hmm.
The fan
That's safe.
is this fan. Yes,
Oh,
this fan is safe. You can touch it by hand.
by
It's
hand.
safe.
Okay.
Yes, it's safe. You don't need to worry about being hurt by
It's a
the
safety.
fan.
Great.
Especially when our children and we need to take care of them because this is made of
Plastic.
you don't need to worry about by hurting from this fan. It's very safe and you can.
This shape design is pretty.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, the price is very competitive.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. This is what we want to share today.
Uh-huh. Oh wow. That's two shapes of the ceiling fan and LED lighting. Yeah. This two function is combined greatly here. Yeah. And with the remote, it can change the mode and change the functioning automatically. Yeah, can separately just the fan, not the lighting, and or two function doing their work at the same time. Yeah, thank you. Anything else for today's introduction, or that's all for today's online show?
I think that's all today we want to share, and also here, this is our products. This is our other products. It's also
normal one.
This is classic one. This is classic one. It's
Plastic one.
very wholesale.
Not wholesale.
In our company. But now we want to show more. Today we want to show the most is our ceiling fan light. It's our ceiling fan light.
Yeah, Benny, I can see. That's really great. Thank you, Olivia. I think that today's new product line introduction is very vivid and attractive, very attractive. I'm impressed. Thank you, Olivia.
Thank you.
So see you next time. Have a good day. Have a good day. Bye.
You have a good day.